is the Jessie Reggae here. Now I'm back with another video, and today I am finally doing another video. As you guys have noticed, I've been taking so many long breaks, so now I'm doing another video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit those thumbs up buttons, and hit those bell sounds. That way you'll be notified when new videos come. And I got a lot of new videos that are set to come, so you better be notified. And guys, today it's a little bit different. You guys have not seen me play with a baby alive before. I know, you guys haven't seen that on my channel before. Me playing with a baby alive. This is for 3-year-olds or any kind of age when you love baby dolls. The baby dolls. So, here's the baby doll here's the baby dive alive box. And this is the box where my doll came out of. Get out your tree, okay? So, here is my baby. This is baby Tiana. This is little Tiana. She loves me so much that she can actually talk. Now, guys, if you guys don't know what a baby alive is, it's literally just these one dolls that talk and they eat food and all that stuff. And they also wear diapers. Yeah, they wear diapers. That way they won't have to be pooping and all that stuff. So, do you have any words to say? Goo goo gaga. Okay, she doesn't really talk. But guys, she actually does talk on the back of her. On the back. So, I'm going to take down her shirt. And right here, there's a little lever. So, I'm going to come up close. There's a little lever right here that switches. So, this turns it, so this little star right here, if you guys can't really see it that good, this star right here, that means that she's going to be eating. This boy right here, that means that she's going to be saying daddy, like literally daddy. This one says she's going to be saying mommy, mommy. Yeah. And that's how to do it. Yeah. This doll takes 4 batteries, so yeah. So it takes 4 batteries. Stand right here, okay? Now here is the box right here. I'm going to show you all in one box. So, right here is the front, and this is where the baby gets to be looked at. And if you guys see this, that's where I get to press the button, because sometimes when you get a bot, sometimes when you like get a toy and they say that, and they have this little circle that you could press the button with, this thing actually lets me press the button, and it was literally legit. So, here it says, happy hungry baby, and no worries about those, who cares? This thing comes with 2 diapers. I spent all my 2 diapers yesterday. Well, a few days ago. And we bought more diapers from Amazon. More diapers. But I don't have 3 left. Now over here it says baby alive, ready for more. Where's my spoon? Guys, this is Spanish, so I might. Tell me if I did good. Tell me if I did good. Don este macarazo. Tell me if I did good. Opens wide for her spoon. Ah. And moves. Yummy. Yum. Here is where this is going. This is what the baby is. This is a little girl feeding the baby. That's the food. That's usually how the food is supposed to turn out. Baby loves to eat. And then here's a little baby alive and flour. Now, here's some more Spanish. Prepare her food. Hungry. Hamburger. Then opens wide for a spoon. And then it says, give her a bottle. Bottle, please. Bamber, pour, favor. Please tell me if I did good. And then it says, change her diaper. I'm not going to show you guys how it looked but when I feed her and she gets her bottle, you'll see how it looks. Then here's where it says baby alive, and it speaks to mommy or daddy. In English or Spanish. This is English right here. English or Espanol. Tell me if I did good. I know I did good. And here's the mom and here's the dad. Hi, mommy. Hola, mama. Thanks, daddy. Grass. Papas. Whatever. And yeah. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys this part of the box. Baby alive, and there's where all the kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. Daddy, mommy, mommy, mommy. And if you guys don't notice, this is my doll that I have. That legit doll. And that's the whole box. Now, guys don't notice. Jessica, if you guys are saying, Jessica, why do you even have 3 diapers? Like the Baby Alive box, it comes with 2 diapers only. I just told you guys, Amazon has everything. Well, not everything. Got 3 diapers. There's 4 diapers filled. Here's the food. So we got peas and we got bananas. If you guys are noticing, I opened it up because I already fed her. So I already fed her a few times. Here is her little cat bowl and her little spoon. Oh, and there's a little heart on there. And then we have her bib. This is where if any food drops, it goes right in this little slot. And you can easily just take it out. And then we have this little feeding tray thing that parents actually give to their babies. And then here is the bottle. And this is filled with water, of course. And guys, the most important thing is me and my mom, we read the instructions. And literally, when we read the instructions, you cannot wet the baby's hair. You wet the baby's hair, it's going to malfunction. So you don't want to have that happen. So, now we are going to do the final results. Eating time! You ready, Tiana? Tiana? Yeah. Okay. So, what I'm going to do to Tiana is I'm going to put her in this little tray thing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it to her back. I'm going to go to her back and then change it to eating. Okay, I think that's on. Yeah, that's on eating. Let me see. Kind of, but it's good. Now, guys, she has a little button on her belly. She has a little button on her belly right here. Okay, now let's give it a test. Now, before I do that, I'm going to prepare her food. Now, Tiana, what's your food? Banana? Okay, what's the banana? I'm just kidding. So guys, now I put the food. Now I put the powder in. It didn't turn into food yet, but watch the magic, it works. So, now I'm going to put this water in. See? Only put like a few drops, like that much, okay? You don't want to put too much, or else the food won't turn out good. Mixing it. If you guys don't like the sound, please just ignore the sound of this thing. Now this is how much I only made because I don't want to spend all the food. So now, little Tiana is going to eat. But before that, I got to put this on her. And I got to give her her little bit. Right, Tiana? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let me give her some food. Here's the if you guys don't know why I'm doing that, because this food actually stinks.
Hungry. Thank you.
I told you guys, she actually eats. Oh, that's her bunny again.
Hungry. Thank you.
Aw, she's so cute. See, this is why I've been waiting to have an baby lap doll. Ever since my birthday started, ever since I turned it 7, I got it.
Thank you.
I've got an baby alive doll, but it's not really a baby alive doll. Her mouth, it does open. She does do the same thing as this doll, but she doesn't talk. She doesn't talk.
Hungry. Thank you.
If you guys are noticing, she's only saying, oh gosh, no, why do I have to get this on me? I have to wash my hands. Ugh. But all you people out there, stay safe though. This is how much food I'm giving her. You guys are noticing why she's only saying, yum, hungry, yum, thank you. She says other stuff too, so.
Hungry.
She also says other stuff, but it takes some time for it to come.
Thank you.
Okay. Give her one last bite, and that's it.
Hungry. Thank you.
Yeah, you eat that baby food. You eat it. Okay. Ew. Okay, now I'm gonna give her a bottle.
Hungry. Thank you.
Now, guys, you have to squeeze the bottle to get it in. But usually what I do is I just squeeze it into her mouth. That way I can get all that disgusting stuff out. Are you done now? Okay. Now after that, wipe her mouth. Sometimes this works, but always gotta stick in her mouth and get it out. Ah, gosh. I'm afraid she's gonna be pooping now.
Hungry. Thank you.
Okay, Tiana, it's time to see the results. If you pooped it, I'm so happy. I got a diaper for her. Let's take this away. Oh, I see you got a bit of water in your bib. Nice job. Okay, right there. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, I'm gonna tip her over, but no. Do not get in her hair. And guys, if the water actually gets in her hair, please make sure to use a towel. Please make sure to use a paper towel or something that you can do to wipe that off, or else the baby won't work. Okay, she has to have her legs up just like a real baby. Take it off. No. And guys, sometimes I press the button. Sometimes I press the button by accident. And sometimes when I'm not pressing the button, it literally talks all by itself. And I know that. I press the button that time. And sometimes, and that's a little creepy, like the doll is talking by itself without me even pressing the button. Like, sometimes that's weird. And sometimes dolls, they get really creepy. And especially Joshy World. He's scared of my dolls, and I don't understand. I remember him telling me this one time he had a dream about dolls all over his room. Like, suck to my dolls. My dolls are perfectly fine. Like, what can my dolls ever do? They can't just move a muscle like that fast. And little Tiana. She is all finished. Guys, I'm going to switch it to a mode.
Hi, Mama.
Did you guys hear that? She said, "Hi, Mama." But, hola, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, she said, "Hi, Mama." This doll is so cute. She did literally just laugh. And she's moving her head really weird.
Love you, Mama.
Oh, I love you too, Tiana. And guys, I know that you have a weird face like, why are you talking to a doll? Well, she literally talks.
Playtime.
No, it's not playtime. And guys, it's literally dark out. It's sleepy time. She's so funny.
You're silly.
Yeah, I'm silly. She is so cute. So guys, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. And guys, comment down below if you guys want me to do a painting video. I actually do have painting stuff. I have painting stuff in my room, but if you guys want me to do a video, I will do it tomorrow. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit those thumbs up buttons, and hit those bell notifications. That way you'll be notified when a new video comes. Don't miss any of my videos, okay? See you guys tomorrow.